Una dey hear now. Why the music every enter side because of wetin happen. Una see at the train station now. Na matter now I wan go settle. Because I thank all of you now. Una way they call me, they tell me say everyday blessing. Why you not they like to pull mouth for marriage people matter? Yeah. I know they pull mouth because they don't call me put or let the one way they call me. See, I did train station so now matter now I want go settle so. It doesn't happen. When I see this picture when I see so now the case I dey travel to the place now. I want go settle matter. If you dey tell some men for Western world say wetin una dey do e no good. Una dey think say na bad thing we dey talk. And it never happen. I never said. It don't set now. It don't set. This husband and wife now Europe they do. Then travel back to Nigeria for a visit. And the woman, she come find out say her husband give another girl belle. The woman don't know since then, but the matter now don't burst. Then they come in and I can settle the matter. And they go there. You see what thing they happen. And this man, so where they follow the woman fight, so for him to lead down, me they beg the wife. You see, they follow the woman they fight. The country where they did for Western world, he married this woman. Oh, the woman born one for her. The man go give another girl belle. He send her go Germany. His wife not know for house. Where the woman where they outside, he come born two again, two. Before the wife discover say, the husband go give another girl belle. The husband beg, the wife forget him. The wife still forgive him. But I see what thing they happen though. His wife for us can't forgive the husband because he say okay, now my husband. The woman now know where she did hospital. The husband can't follow back again. He abandoned the wife for hospital. He follow back. He go meet that woman again. He give her second, third belle. He come born. Now fourth belle now. Fourth one. Now the outside. One born so. They are two now travel to Nigeria now for a visit. The matter now come burst. The fight now they grand. My people, where will they go? One wife, one wahala. Two wife, two wahala. Depends woman where you marry. If you marry three wahala. Four wahala. Men, more than not use una o take spoil another man o no. Tomorrow, if the thing they backfire, una come they say na people wey talk put, na people wey do una come they use na mind till they cash everybody. Enemy say now this one or maybe now this one they spoil my wife or now this one they spoil my wife. You will open your eye. You go give another woman belle, fourth pikin, fourth baby. Outside one born for you so when you do you and woman they have so you marry the woman oh, you put money for the woman head. So I now travel I go so I go travel now the matter I want go settle. They'll say everyday blessing. Why you not the chook mat? Why you not the pull mat for husband and wife matter? No, I know they want pull mat because if you pull mat, they will use you to settle. You will come be enemy for inside. Anyhow, it don't set now. It don't set now. The man now they shut up and down. The man now they cry everywhere. Say now people they spoil your wife for house. Where you know say you go give woman belle four children, I the woman want born for you for outside. So you they open your mouth, they say now people they spoil your own wife for house now. It don't set now, it don't happen. And the full video I be posting for Facebook. Facebook reject them. Facebook no accept them. I post them for my YouTube channel. When I go watch the video, where they take fight, where the man take design this woman. I put on for my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV. And I go watch on there. Me, no matter now, don't they come our table. The matter where would they see so? Where would they talk? Woman go talk, man go talk, now they believe. Now if they do so. You don't set now. Man, you open your eye. Your wife, you not reach you. Your wife, when you get how many children for you, you say that one not reach again. For Europe again, you say now 2 wives, that you want marry. Anything where you see, you face them. Now, when they come in and say, me, I can't settle the matter now. The matter now, where you they fuck that woman, where you they do that woman, and not they there. Where you they shook your butt, your stick for that woman body, you not come here. It backfire now. When they come me say me, I can't settle the matter. I they come for you. Now your city at the console. I want to settle the matter. It don't set now. It don't set. It don't read now. Men, 80% of men for Western world, we have problem with this one. When I will get wife for house. If you know say you never reach to marry, why you go even go put her for wife? Why you go put her for woman? All those small boys where you all overgrow the worry, where you grow past their age. Now what they happen to them with this one? They'll come lie to their wife, say they don't reach big age. Their age now small because they're big past their age. See Anna, not be with this. So I just say now, I wait for train. But where they suit you now, now not coming. But now they coming. We they here now. So we they. Now the place now we they go. We want to settle the matter. Wait till they pay me pass now. Una carry una self now go Nigeria now. Una go the disgrace una self. Husband and wife we dey Western world they go Nigeria now go they fight for streets. The picture where they see so. Husband and wife we dey Western world. Men, you know say as you go give woman belle now, you know say problem join your problem. Happy you say na people. Now they spoil your wife for house. You say now people they spoil your wife because now small picking sense now you get you grow past your age. Men where they do all those things, when I grow past your age, sense not deal with you now. So I they go there, now there they go now. So waiting the woman now, they say you do her now, whether you do a good or you do a well or you do a bad. So we they listening, we they hear you now. How you want to explain to the world? How you want to explain to your wife now? Okay, how you want to do now? You say you want to marry the 2 wives, Abi. You want to stay with one, they marry the other one, Abi. You want to stay low. So now the matter now want to go settle so. Now the matter now want to go settle so. So how you want to do then? Where you know say you get 2 wives now, 2 problem, 2 wahala, now you get now. Who get 1 wife? 1 wahala. 2 wahala. Depends any wife you get. Now so this wahala they increase. You see, men way una prick, they pure. That means as you abandon your wife for hospital, una be the plan made the woman die or how? Una they come and me I consider the matter. I they come there. Now everything I go ask you be that one. I dey vex for some men where they do all those kind of nonsense.